And so it's dry on this side. Alright. Mostly dry. It's running off this way. This is what we want. We need to put some sort of like kick plate and a gutter here and a gutter up here to deflect the water and stuff away. It's one of the reasons we moved it out away from the house. Is one, to get access to the screws on the back side of the unit here. And two, to keep the rainwater and debris, acorns and stuff from falling right down in that hole. Hot dogs. Yeah, it's like that dark. Alright. You get the idea. Go back and see. Alright. Thanks for watching.